Top 5 Best Lawn Mowers and Tractors in 2020. Top 1. TacLife Cordless Lawn Mower, 16-inch 40V Brushless Lawn Mower, 4.0 Ah battery, 6 mowing heights, 3 operation heights, 98% clean cutting rate, 10.5 gallons grass box KDLM 4040A. TacLife Summer Holiday. This cordless lawn mower is powered by a 40V Max 4Ah battery, KB4040A. The high-quality lithium battery provides a faster charging speed and longer life than other ordinary batteries. Its idling runtime is 40 minutes and 30 minutes. Top 2. Greenworks G-MAX 40V 16 Cordless Lawn Mower with 4Ah battery, 25,322 model. Your purchase includes one Greenworks G-MAX 40V 16 Cordless Pole Mower, 25,322 model with 4Ah battery and charger. Lawn mower dimensions: 28.5 inches LX 17 inches WX 21.3 inches H battery capacity, 4Ah wheel size, 6 inches and 7 inches cutting max. Top 3. Greenworks 40V 20-inch Cordless Twin Force Lawn Mower, 5Ah battery and charger included. Your purchase includes G-MAX 25,302 Lawn Mower, push-button start and dual blades, battery charger and a 5Ah battery. Fully charged 5Ah LTH-ion battery gives it an approximate runtime of 60 minutes, option of extending this time with an extra battery port. Runtime varies based on grass condition and operator technique. Top 4. Greenworks 20-inch 3-inch-1 12-amp electric corded lawn mower 25,022. Electric corded mower with a powerful 12-amp motor, extension cord not included. Durable 20-inch steel deck. 3-inch-1, mulching, side discharge, and rear bag. 7-position height adjustment offers a range of cutting height from 1-1/2 to 3-3/4 4 inches for all grass types. Push-button start. Top 5. PowerSmart DB8621 CR 21 inches 2-inch-1 170cc gas push lawn mower. Powered by 170cc engine delivering the right amount of power in a compact, lightweight package. Easy pulse. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.